Workers in the Philippines are protected under various labor laws, including the right to a safe and humane working environment. Article 13, Section 3 of the Philippine Constitution states that the state shall afford full protection to labor, local and overseas, organized and unorganized, and promote the principle of shared responsibility between the workers and the employers. The state shall protect the workers' rights and ensure their welfare by providing a safe and healthy working condition.
Alam mo, hindi lang si Ella ang pinaglalaban natin dito. Kung hindi, kasama na ang mga manggagawa at ang kanilang mga pamilya na nahihirapan sa pang-abusong sistemang ito. Kung makakalampas sa mga simpleng pagkakamali, paano pa ang mga malalaking pagkakamali? Do you really want a reunion for Ella and her daughter?
Yes, sir.
Then prove me wrong, Atty. Matias. Huwag mong hayaang magsisi ako na sinama kita sa kaso nito.
Mea culpa, Atty.
Te absolvo. I forgive you. Now, go back to your desk and do your assignment properly.